In Croatia, in 83% of relationships, most of the housework is done by women who are at the same time employed outside of the home. And only 38% of male teenagers think that the housework should be done equally. But what to expect when even the Ministry of Education supports definitions like this in the official Croatian dictionary? The Croatian word for host at home is domaćin for males and domaćica for females. But while domaćin is defined as the head of the family who runs well the house and welcomes guests, domaćica is primarily defined as the host's wife who is not employed outside the home. Well, the Croats' legendary family biscuits, named exactly Domaćica, decided to use the power of the brand to encourage the change. On the original packaging, there were just added professions to point out the dual role of women, while on the back there were information about the inequality in the household and in the dictionary, along with a call for change. And suddenly, the whole region went mad.
Slabe su šanse da niste čuli za slučaj Domaćica, jer to već 2 dana je u Hrvatskoj najvažnija tema.
Domaćica case became the #1 topic in the media, and the term itself was searched 13 times more. Despite the initial denigration, changes begin to happen.
Podržavamo ovu kampanju. Domaćica je žena koja je vlasnica doma ili se brine o svome domu baš kao i domaćin, a njezin status ne mora biti uvjetovan time je li udana ili nezaposlena.
In the end, the results were additional 150,000 brand users raised the awareness of the need for better equality. The Forum for Freedom of Education included the campaign in workshops that promote gender equality in primary schools. And for the first time in the history of Croatia, publicly and under the influence of a brand, there was a change in the dictionary in favor of gender equality. And no crumbs left.